are from Shakespeare stories. They do have a little twist onto them. For example, one year they had Macbeth, but everyone was goblins. So I'm not too sure what they are this year. But the third one is just made in-house, so lots of good options, I'm sure. I've heard really good things about it, but I have not been myself.
Come with us.
Definitely something to check out if you got the time. And all these things I just mentioned are in Vanier Park. And next up we have the Vanier Park boat launch. And it might just seem like a boat launch, but this is actually the starting point of Vancouver Water Adventures. And in 2009, a brother and a sister had 2 jet skis. And they put some ads up on Craigslist, and they wanted to rent the jet skis out to the public. And they've actually grown the company into what it is today. So we got lots more of these big boat tours.